you'd like to learn how to make footsteps in today's video, then consider staying to the end. I'm going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to make footsteps in Roblox Studio and what effect it can add to your game. Before we begin though, do make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below telling me what you thought. Okay, so here we are in Roblox Studio in our horror game, and if you remember last episode we actually created a death screen. But that's not what we're worried about today. Today we're trying to do the footsteps, and before we actually go on to that, I just want to say I updated the map a little bit. So over here we've got our thingy from last couple of episodes ago, and we have this gate in the way, but that's going to make sense in a later series. And then I just made these corridors up here, and yeah, but I'm going to be expanding it even more, so that's not to worry about. So for the main part of the video, what do we actually want? Well, we want the footsteps, so let's do those now. So firstly, if you go into the description of this video, you're going to see two links, and you're going to see a pastebin link, and you're also going to see a Roblox link. If you click on either one of them, doesn't matter. So for example, me, I'm going to go with the footsteps first of all, and this is pretty much, as it says here, Footstep Sounds, and it's going to detect what material you're on and it's going to play that footstep. So just click on here, it should say buy. It's not going to take anything for your account, so don't worry, it's completely free. Click on that and then it should be in your model section in Studio. Now for the pastebin, if you go into the pastebin and you copy the whole script, or just do just copy the whole thing, and now we can apply it to Roblox Studio. So now I'm back at Studio. All you need to do is make sure in View your Explorer is open, your properties are open, your toolbox is open, and Output if you really want it. So we're going to go to our sound service down here, and we're going to go to My Models over here, and we're going to take the footstep module, as you can see here, footsteps artist devs. We're going to click on it, and we're just going to drag it into sound service. And if we go in here, you can now see we have all the materials, and we can just play whatever we want, and it's going to play. Once you've copied that script, go to Starter Player. You're going to go into Starter Player Scripts, and you're going to add a local script, and then you're going to paste this script in, just like that. And the reason we're not writing this is that this script actually comes with Roblox Studio when you preload it, or you preload a game. This is going to be already in the character, so I thought there's no point in us writing it. So now if we name this script really quickly, let's just call this Footsteps. No, actually, just to make it easier, we're going to call it Footsteps Character Sounds, just like this. And now we can go ahead and press play. So automatically we're gonna have the monster chasing after us when it loads. Yeah, there you go. But we're just gonna zoom in. I died. Okay, so I just have to run away from the monster just so it doesn't kill me again. But if you listen really closely, you can hear, I'm not sure you'll be able to hear it, but I can hear the footsteps in my thing. If the footsteps aren't loud enough, you can always go to the sounds again, and you can just go by every sound and just increase the sound a little bit. So I've got it at 0.4, we can set it to like 0.7 or something like that, and then you can replay it. Now if you listen really closely, you can hear a quiet thudding. Yeah, you can hear that. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to hear that, but if not, I'll just increase the audio when I'm editing it. Oh, there you go, we can hear it now. That's good. But yeah, if you have any issues, make sure to let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!